Jesus ended our gospel for today with a reminder and with a bang. Therefore, stay awake, for you know neither the day nor the hour. Sinabi niya po ang mga bagay na ito para habang tayo ay nakatayo at buhay ngayon, hindi tayo papatay-patay araw-araw. And as we have been saying, to live our lives to the fullest. But let me go back to the phrase, stay awake. Kinakailangan na kung nais nating mabuhay at kung alam natin na ang buhay na ito ay paghahanda o paglalakbay natin sa buhay natin sa itaas, kinakailangan nating maging gising. We need to stay awake. It could be possible that the 5 foolish virgins were not able to bring extra oil with them because by their very names, they were foolish. Ayaw mag-effort, ayaw magkaroon ng malay kung ano ang dapat dalin, ano ang dapat pang mga asikasuhin. And why did the 5 wise virgins were able to join the feast was because of that certain awareness. Gising sila kung ano ang dapat dalin. They were awake, mind and heart, to prepare what needs to be done and what needs to be brought. This call of our gospel is a daily challenge to all of us to stay awake. To stay awake not only to see blessings, but also to stay awake in order for us to see what we would need to improve, where we lack, where we are weak at. It pays to be awake whenever we lack the capacity to love, the capacity to understand, the capacity to forgive, the capacity to be present for others. But it pays as well to be awake that we know friends and others are blessing us. God has been caring for us. Life has been good to us. Dahil dito po nahulog yung 5 dalaga. Dahil hindi sila mulat sa bagay na dapat nilang asikasuhin. Pero dito naman pinagpala ang 5 mga babaeng ito. Dahil alam nila kung ano ang dapat gawin sa buhay na ito. Stay awake, my dear brothers and sisters, to see blessings and shortcomings. Kahit pagtingin kung anong kulang natin, kailangan nating magising. To see capacities and what needs to be done. Hindi lang para maging mulat sa biyaya, kundi sa mga pwede pang mabago sa atin. And by being awake, we know that how the Lord will come and open the door for us, to bless us, and He will come as well to shape us to be better and wise.